What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. We'll be looking at Ethereum. We'll be looking at mainly the price, alright, in this video. What's going on, what can we expect? Can we still get up to that 1800 level? Short answer, yes, I do think so. But apart from that, we'll also talk about something very important and something very valuable, I think at least, and something you need to know. That is fundamentals. We'll talk about the Federal Reserve interest rate, which is in right now it's in 24 hours and it's like in a day in 10 hours. As you can see, obviously this is all GMT +2 in time zones, but still it's wherever you are, it's in 1 day and 10 hours. This is important. It's going to make the market move probably, especially the press conference. So I'll talk about that tomorrow, but I also wanted to kind of talk about it a little bit in this video about Ethereum, because also talked about it in relation to Bitcoin if you want to check that out in the last video. But we'll also talk about what it does to Ethereum. Now, if we take a look at Ethereum, even though yesterday was a very bearish day, as you can see, big red candles, to me it was actually more bullish than bearish. And the main thing for that is that I actually expected us to, with that bearish momentum, drop down even a level lower towards 1500, which would have been a very strong support level. And might have even been a little bit beneficial, because then you drag in a lot of buyers and you get a lot of momentum, and then you might be able to get a little bit higher. Didn't do that. We actually managed to hold 1560. While Bitcoin was dropping down to levels below 20,200, Ethereum was holding its levels very comfortably. Again, a confirmation of that Ethereum right now, compared to Bitcoin, is just stronger. It is stronger. Volume has gone up as well. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention for my new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. Now, obviously that doesn't tell you a lot, but what it does tell you is that a lot of people are still buying. All right, still a lot of people buying at these relatively high levels. So yeah, now we can only practically analyze until we get those fundamentals tomorrow, right? Because those fundamentals are going to make the market move, and Ethereum is going to move depending on what is being said, most importantly at that press conference. So apart from that, otherwise, if that wouldn't have happened, I would have still expected something like this, right? So that at some point we're going to break above 1670, and that we're going to move up to that level around 1760 and 1800. Because you can clearly see that we got out of this market structure. Now we're in some sort of a bullish market structure. And we're still showing a lot of bullish momentum, even though we're cooling down and calming down a little bit, right? That's just a normal part of some sort of a rally like this. But apart from that, fundamentals going to make the market move. I'll cover that tomorrow as well, but especially the Fed press conference is important, because this is already pretty set in stone, and I think it's 100% in the market already. We might see some more volatility and volume, but that's it, I think, at least. Unless it goes up to 4.25%, then we'll crash down. But the press conference is going to be interesting, because there they will kind of indicate whether they are going to be increasing the interest rates even more and more and more, or that they're cooling it down. All right, kind of like that. That's very simply said, but that's it. And if they are actually going to tell you that they're going to increase it even more and more and more, I think we'll see a crash. I think we'll drop down all the way to 1425. And then from there we'll see if we can actually stay at least a little bit bullish, or whether that's just the end, which there's a very good chance that it's just the end. So that's also because I think a lot of people are expecting that they are going to cool it down a little bit. In which case, I mean, if they're cooling it down, I still expect something like this. I expect us to continue doing what we're doing, and I expect us to still remain quite bullish. So yeah, as I said, more info on that tomorrow as well. But for now, that's already a quick sneak peek at what it's going to mean for at least Ethereum. So yeah, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.